Are you ready, Mark?
I'm ready. Y'all go for it.
Okay. Let me turn this a little. Okay.
I think they're here in town now. Oh, yeah? But they live in San Antonio.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
That's cool.
You need to do better than that.
Hardly ever. A lot of money for me and stuff.
There you go.
So if you wiggle it, they might just slide out.
Hit it with your right hand. Your right. Spin with your left. Or there, yeah. There you go.
Davey's wedding in California, and I paid for our flights. I bought all kinds of shoes and everything.
Keep wanting to reach up where I keep my magazines. It's wild how your habit.
Muscle memory.
I kept reaching up for that.
Speed it up a little bit. There you go. There you go. Telling the others to slow down. There you go. You needed one more.
Yeah, one more.
That one didn't fire?
It was off. It's going to be the second.
My office.
Put my last one in this pocket.
My office is all
Good right there.
the wall.
Yeah.
And on one side, it has call me and I'll set you free. Or it says Donaville and it says call me and I'll set you free. And it has a picture of a girl coming out of the door with her work on one side and then a guy on the other.
Oh, don't pull it again. That is
Yeah, I
a...
know. Just give it a second.
I got to take it down because I had one up there, but Jason has another shop.
Just the primer.
Yep.
That he